Fans, kasama ko po din dito si Mark Bautista. Mark, how is it performing here in a live, huge crowd here in Araneta?
Grabe yung action dito sa Araneta talaga. Talagang masasabi ko, iba yung crowd sa basketball talaga.
Do you want to promote something?
Yung album ko, Mark Bautista, Every Now and Then, under Viva Records, out pa po. And my new single, I'll Be Over You. Sana supportahan ninyo.
It's one of the bonuses when you watch the games live dito po sa PBA. You get to see a lot of celebrities and you actually see them perform live, libre. Sama na yun sa treat when you watch PBA games live. So simula na po ng ating third quarter of action. Barangay Ginebra, they have 2 quarters to work out and hope that they get their first win dito po sa ating Fiesta Conference. And ito na nga, Mark Aguiwa starting off things on the right foot para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Coming off a set play, setting up right away, Mark Aguiwa. Hoping na ito si Mark Aguiwa mag-init kaagad.
Ito naman, good turnaround ni Darius Rice. Wala pa rin. Here's Aguiwa, goes to Helterbrand. Helterbrand, yes! Fast and the Furious combining there. Total 14 para dito kay JJ Helterbrand.
Purefoods has to be careful with the fresh legs of the guards of Barangay Ginebra. Expect them to run. Remember, that's what they did in the first quarter. Yung kombinasyon ni Aguiwa, Tubit at saka ni Helterbrand.
Pawi naman kagad yun ni James Yap. Mintes dito si Mark Aguiwa. Long rebound goes to Roger Yap. James Yap na, libre naman. Bang! That's a TM press. Coming from James Yap. Siguro pati siya nagulat, ba't libre-libre siya, no?
Miscommunication, failure on the part of Barangay Ginebra to locate the top scorer of Purefoods.
Helterbrand, given a screen by Wilson. They go inside to Alexander. Ang ganda ng pagkakasilip sa loob. And this time, there was no double team. Easy pickings para kay Alexander. Total of 11 points for the big guy.
Wala pa si Alexander, hindi siya pinrun. And what he had to do para hindi dumating yung double team, quick move, turn to the basket right away. Just like that. Kay Darius Rice, ganun din ginawa niya. Quick move right away bago dumating ang help.
Ano kaya pinag-usapan dito ng dalawang kupunan sa kanilang halftime huddle? Alamin natin kay Magumar John.
Richard, siguradong hindi natutuwa ang Barangay Ginebra dahil nakakwentuhan na naman natin si Assistant Coach Junior Sauler. At sabi nga niya, kahit na daw naka 20 puntos na in the first half, eto si Rice, they're really not that worried kasi alam nila he will try and get his points but they want to stop the rest of the gang. Pero ngayon niya, naka 5 straight points na etong si James Yap. Pagdating naman sa panig ng Purefoods, they are satisfied with the way Darius Rice is defending against Alexander. Pero wary sila of the shooters like JJ Helterbrand. They need a conscious effort to close out on the wings at kailangan daw lahat ng turnover, mayroon silang desire na mabawi yan. Back to you guys.
It's really all about desire kung gusto nila manalo dito sa ball game na to. And we'll see kung anong maging resulta as you take a look at Chris Alexander. It's only a 2-point lead now for Purefoods. 2 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter. Eto na si Kirby Raimundo, umatake, shake and bake move. Hindi maalis yung depensa ni Alexander. Eto na ngayon, turnover, tuluyan na. Ronald Tubit with a jam.
That's a jam without a backpack.
Eto naman, quick retaliation, foiled by Alexander. Ginebra is running, Mark Aguiwa does not finish. Oh, hindi natanganan. JJ Helterbrand, hinayang na hinayang. That would have been a go-ahead basket para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Yeah, it's been a while since Barangay Ginebra had a taste of the lead as we see. Ito si Ronald Tubit.
Alright, ito, dire-diretso na. Two-handed jam brought to us by Yakult. Yakult everyday okay. Sigurado ka dyan.
At yung mga tinatira niya pa nung slam dunk competition.
Yan, oo. Ay, parang mga 20 pounds yun sa backpack niya nung nag-slam dunk siya, no? Rice is hammered by Alexander. So, going to be the first foul on Chris Alexander. So marunong rin ito magtipid sa kanyang fouls, ha? As Darius Rice moves to the free throw line. Total of 20. Ilan ang assist nitong si Darius Rice? Isa lang.
Rice is career high in the PBA. Pero maganda yung ball movement ngayon na ginagawa ni Darius Rice. Like I said at the halftime, really within the frame of the offense.
a 2-for-2 for Darius Rice. Gives back the lead dito po sa Pure Foods DJ Giants. JJ, hinanap si Mark Kagiwa against James Yap. Umatake si Kagiwa. Kick out pass to Elderbrand. No. Andyan na naman si Alexander for that offensive rebound and the putback.
Yeah, just too tall para kay Darius Rice and just too big. Ito si Chris Alexander was able to push him out into the box, in the box.
Kirby Raimundo, iniwan na sa labas. He does not make them pay. Here's Helterbrand, accelerates Helterbrand sa palpal ni James Yap. Ball will stay with the white shirts of Ginebra.
Now, Kirby Raimundo has to make that shot para lumabas ito si Chris Alexander. Usually a shot that he will make. Struggling from the field today is Kirby Raimundo, 2 out of 7 from the field.
Mark Kagiwa. Ito, pinafront ulit si Alexander at the post. Kagiwa umatake, kicks it out. Extra pass in the corner kay Wilson. Wilson, he's strong. Outside at 58.
And Richard, after that double, you really have to choose your poison. JJ Helterbrand, Mark Kagiwa, or Ronald Tubin. Of course, Pure Foods choosing to let Willie Wilson, among all those shooters, take that outside shot.
Kagiwa, umatake ulit sa loob. He spins, he goes up, too short. Kagiwa, another offensive rebound, swatted away by Kirby Raimundo.
No need to hurry para sa Barangay Ginebra. You have a new shot clock.
Ito na ngayon si Helterbrand. Helterbrand goes up. Helterbrand missing. And may foul on that rebound play. Yeah, Darius Rice. He has to work overtime defensively. Trying to box out ito si Chris Alexander. Pasok na si Peter Jun Simon para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Triple team now si Alexander. Kaya kinig-out niya kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa dancing inside. At ito, Kagiwa tutungo na naman sa free throw line.
That's his first foul, 3 on TJ Giants.
That's the first foul on Chico Lanete. So Kagiwa now on the line. Leading local scorer with 26 points a ball game. Missing his first free throw, however. Oy, si Eric Meck at si Rodney Santos and J.R. Aquino.
Yung mga missing link para dyan sa Barangay Ginebra. Another guy also there in the bench is Rafi Rivas. As we can see, si Rafi Rivas naman nasa bench. Meron naman siyang protective boot. As Barangay Ginebra just trying to live and get through the conference with all these guys on the bench and recuperating from injuries.
Hindi na tumalon that time itong si Chris Alexander getting that block of Darius Rice. Here's Chico Lanete. Lanete working against Helterbrand. Lanete, nice big turnaround jumper. No good. Quick outlet pass by Alexander to Kagiwa. And Dubin! Dipsy Duplay! You really have to credit yung outlet pass na yun ni Chris Alexander that started that offense para sa Barangay Ginebra. And Barangay Ginebra is now on top by 260 to 58. Check out this pass by Kagiwa to Ronald Tubit, giving Barangay Ginebra a 2-point lead, 60 to 58.